I'm so sorry that you had to deal with Nana like your whole life. I'm so sorry. Like, I love you so much, Angel. Whoever thought from the fucking day your bitch ass made me drink your pee? What? You fucking broke my toe. Fuck you. Your bitch ass made me fucking drink your urine, you little bitch. And now we're here fucking taking shots on your 24th birthday, bitch. My cupcake. I fucking love you so much. Do you need something to drink? Let me get you some water. Oh, fuck. Here it is, right here. Hold on, I got you. Here. Right here. Drink it.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. I'm trying to help you out, damn it.
What's going on?
We're just flashbacks.
Is she crying or laughing? I'm confused.
I'm